Eloquence is the power to translate a truth into language perfectly intelligible to the person to whom you speak. In wilderness is the preservation of the world. There's only one thing a philosopher can be relied upon to do, and that is to contradict other philosophers. When one tugs at a single thing in nature, he finds it attached to the rest of the world. The most valuable of all talents is that of never using two words when one will do. The art of art, the glory of expression, and the sunshine of the light of letters is simplicity. As it is my design to make those that can scarcely read understand, do not go where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path, and leave a trail. Emerson teaches us that true success comes from forging our own way, not following the crowd. Be bold, take risks. Your uniqueness is your strength. What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. No matter your past or future challenges, your inner strength is limitless. Believe in yourself. Act as if what you do makes a difference. It does. Every action counts. Every effort matters. Success starts with the belief that you can change your life. The greatest weapon against stress is our ability to choose one thought over another. Your mindset shapes your reality. Choose courage over fear, hope over doubt. Optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Nothing can be done without hope. No matter how hard life gets, hope keeps us moving forward. Your struggles are preparing you for greatness. Character cannot be developed in ease and quiet. Only through trial and suffering can the soul be strengthened. Challenges are not roadblocks. They are stepping stones. Embrace them. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you've imagined. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. Your dreams are waiting. Success usually comes to those who are too busy to be looking for it. Focus on the work, not the reward. Excellence follows effort.